Experience unmatched comfort in microbial testing. The Milliflex Oasis system is our laboratory filtration system for comfort at every level. You can adjust the hardware setup to your needs. The funnels come in protective bags with labels on each funnel designed for high traceability. The tray can be stacked to save space in your working area. We thought about every detail to ease your day-to-day work. The integrated funnel support on the base allows faster handling and protects the membrane from secondary contamination. The clear material and 360-degree level indicators allow visibility from every angle. The vacuum pump is easy to use even for non-specialists. The convex shape of the membrane ensures a perfect application to the culture media. The media can be easily identified by color, and the labels ensure full traceability. Our original touch-free membrane transfer avoids contamination from membrane handling. The media plates are stackable, creating a stable set and saving you valuable space in your incubator. All features are designed for an optimal microbial recovery. The Milliflex Oasis system gives you time for other activities by making your day-to-day work easier.